What's up, Food Jacks? Jack Scalfani here from the Cooking with Jack show, and I just want to thank you guys for embracing the new barbecue sauce with no high fructose corn syrup. We reformulated it because you guys asked me to. It's now on Amazon Prime. If you don't know how to search for it, just type in the best barbecue sauce you'll ever taste. That's the name of it, seriously. So go get it. It's on Amazon Prime, free shipping, and let me know what you think. Everybody's raving about it. It's selling great, and we're gonna have to reload in a little bit. So thanks again for your business. In the meantime, I have two little products I want to show you guys. So come on in close and let me show you what I got. This right here is an over-the-sink, multi-purpose roll-up dish drying rack. And I'll show you that in a minute. We'll go to the sink. Let's put that off to the side. This right here, my mother-in-law finds the most incredible things. They could be flops, they could be home runs, you never know. And after reading this, I'm looking at this. It's called Nature Fresh, and you can get this on Amazon, I think is where she bought it. She uses it, and she loves this. And anyway, it controls odors, bacteria, harmful pollutants, and allergens. Fragrance-free, non-toxic, eco-friendly. It prevents mold, mildew, excessive moisture. So if you're looking to keep moisture out of a closet or something, you could probably put this up on the top shelf. I have no idea, but I'm using it for, I'm gonna try it in the refrigerator. So this is what it looks like. Is that cool? That just looks cool. I don't know. I like a good packaging. Okay, so let me tell you about this, because this is really cool. To rejuvenate this lasts forever. Well, not forever, I'm sure it deteriorates over time, but this is like you use it again and again and again. And to rejuvenate this, you place it in direct sunlight just once a month for 1 hour. Here's the Katori Damascus knife I'm using. Not gonna be seeing this one much longer because I have a new knife set I showed you guys before. That's coming onto the show. I'm really excited about. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. Gonna make it really, really simple. Oh man. Have you ever put onions in the open like this in your refrigerator? I am risking my entire refrigerator for this test. I want you guys to know how much I love you and that I'm putting it to the test right now. This bag is gonna go right next to these onions, just like this. Boop. Let me show you. Okay, everybody, please forgive me for my messy refrigerator. It's always loaded with food. All right, I'm thinking I'll put the bag back here, right there. Can you see it? It's right there. Put the onions right there, and I'm gonna close up the fridge. If this fails, my wife is gonna be so upset at me. That's how it comes, all wrapped out of the box. Oh, wow, okay. Is this silicone? This is made out of, this is silicone coated. I don't know what's inside, but wow, look at that. All right, how do you open up? There we go. So I believe it works like this. That's pretty sturdy. That's exactly how it works. Boom, boom. And you can have dirty dishes underneath it. You just grab it. I'm gonna wash out this glass really quick. Let's say I got people coming over. I don't want to take up counter space because I got food sitting out for people, right? I just got done washing this, so let's say I'm washing that. I'll put that right there. I just clean the little rubber thing for my sponges. So I get that like that. And the beauty is it doesn't drip. I have a drying mat. It doesn't soak it up. I can put stuff up here. All right, this is all clean. And just do that. Is that cool? Look at that. That's great. I can leave that there all the time if I want. You can easily roll it up and throw it under the sink. Here's another thing that's pretty cool. When all the dishes are done, imagine I got people over for a barbecue and I got a big thing of potato salad. I can use this counter space. So I got potato salad, coleslaw, and put stuff if I'm not using this for drying. I love that. And are you ready for the best feature of all? Seriously. My wife just told me about this right before I started filming, and I think it's great. Ta-da! You can just stick your meat out there to defrost. So when it does start to release liquid or moisture, it doesn't leave a big puddle on your counter. and then you can go do your shopping. And by the way, that is one steak. That is a cowboy steak coming up in a future episode. I am braising that bad boy. I'm smoking that bad boy. It's going to be awesome. I can't wait. But that's another day. The link's down below if you want to try this product out with me. You could even throw this in your teenager's bedroom. I bet that would help a lot. Or you can play get out of jail free card with your little roll up dish over the sink drain, whatever they call this thing. All right, guys, see those onions? When I opened the door the first day of putting these in with that bag, wham, man, you could smell the onions right away. I can't smell the onions out here with my face this far. I can't smell them at all. I smell them when I move in right about there. I could smell those onions. There is no odor anywhere. If I put my head here, there is no smell. Up on the next shelf, there's no smell in here. It literally worked. It pulled all that I've done this with no bag, and it's a stench for weeks. You guys know what I'm talking about. I'm being totally honest with you. This isn't even for the refrigerator, by the way. I'm such a dork. This is for like closets and sock drawers and cars and that kind of stuff. So there you go. It's there's a new name. I have it down below. They're not under Nature Fresh anymore. I guess this is an older bag that I got my hands on. But there's another brand out there. So I have the link down below. But this truly works. All I care about is the refrigerator. But I got another one that I'm going to put in my closet. So I'll be trying that out. So there's your results, guys. This is a success. And remember to put it in the sun for an hour to reactivate this and use it again and again and again. You only have to do it like every so many weeks. All right? That's it. I'll see you on the next episode.